Welcome back, kitchen enthusiasts. We're trustedshopguide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, two Halogen oven brands will be going head-to-head. We have the Sahomwell Halogen oven and the Nutrichef Halogen oven. Halogen ovens are ideal for kitchen applications such as baking, air frying, and also steaming, which are healthier than pan frying. They may be used in a variety of ways, are cheap to buy, and are energy efficient. Additionally, they're well worth adding to your kitchen appliances if you don't have the space for a gas range oven. With a halogen oven in your kitchen, you'll be able to prepare everything from meat, fish, vegetables, poultry, and appetizers without breaking the bank. In today's video, we'll be pitting two top-of-the-line halogen ovens, the Sahomwell Halogen oven and the Nutrichef Halogen oven, against each other in a battle of style and substance. Both of these units have earned 4 badges from our team at trustedshopguide.com, ensuring their quality, durability, and performance. However, there's only one room for a winner, so sit back, relax, and watch as we battle it out in today's brand wars. If you're interested in the other halogen ovens that we reviewed, do check out our halogen oven review video link below. If you want direct links to the products themselves, all these links are also listed below too. So without further ado, let's start the brand wars. The first category that these halogen ovens will be going toe-to-toe with would be their size and form factor. Size is an important factor to consider when looking for a good halogen oven. Most kitchen counters are already crowded with various kitchen appliances, dishes, and condiments, so choosing a form factor that's ideal for small or roomy countertop spaces is very important. Additionally, it's also important to consider the shape of the oven since it brings out the unit's compatibility with your kitchen decor. The Sahomwell Halogen oven measures 16.5 by 13 by 13 inches, while the Nutrichef Halogen oven measures 13 by 7 by 15 inches. As for weight, the Sahomwell Halogen oven is a heavier machine at 16.42 pounds, while the Nutrichef Halogen oven weighs only 4.65 pounds. This makes the Nutrichef oven a more attractive choice for those who had little countertop space to spare. Although the Sahomwell Halogen oven is not really that much larger or heavier than its competition, we'll be given the first point to the Nutrichef Halogen oven. For its lighter package and smaller design, we believe it's the definitive winner of this category. The second category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their capacity. The usable capacity of your halogen oven is important because it'll determine the size of roasts you can cook and even the number of guests you can cater to in one go. Some machines have extra large capacities worthy of serving a large party, while others can only serve a couple of people or 3 to 4 at best. The smaller capacity ovens are great for people who live alone or with a partner. The traditional larger halogen ovens, however, are great for people who love making large batches of food at a time, either for family lunches or dinners. The Sahomwell Halogen oven has a capacity of 18 quarts and comes included with an extender ring, which adds capacity from 10.56 to 18 quarts. This can serve up to 10 to 12 people at a time. The Nutrichef Halogen oven, however, is no slouch either. It has a capacity of 13 quarts, significantly smaller than the Sahomwell Halogen oven. It's still capable of serving up to 6 to 8 people. Although it all comes down to what kind of lunch or dinner you're serving and how large the party is, we will proclaim the Nutrichef Halogen oven as the winner of this category. Having a larger capacity than its competition, it allows you to serve more people with room for seconds to spare. It earns 1 point and takes a commanding lead at 2-0. The third category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their heat output. The biggest difference between high-performance halogen ovens and conventional ones is the amount of power they pack. Conventional halogen ovens will often offer a wattage of around 800 to 1000 watts, while high-performance ones can get above that. If you want to get the best cooking performance out of your unit, then you'd best place your bet on an oven that's at least 1000 watts and above. The Sahomwell Halogen oven has 1300 watts of power that lets you make an endless array of food from roasted chicken, roast beef, baked pork ribs, and much more. This much power also makes quick work of all these things, giving you more time to focus on other parts of your meal prep. The Nutrichef Halogen oven is no slouch either, with 1200 watts of professional power that can prepare your favorite dinners in as little as 15 minutes. This powerful machine also makes a great and versatile tool to have in your kitchen thanks to its rapid air circulation technology that provides even cooking all around. For its extra power over the competition, the Sahomwell Halogen oven will be more than worth it for someone who's interested in using a powerful oven that can do it all, from reheating TV dinners to making roast beef and chicken from scratch. Having said that, It earns 1 point and trails the competition by 1 point at 2-1. The fourth category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their safety features. For this category, we shall be looking at each halogen oven's built-in safety features to compare and find out which unit is worth it to keep in your home. Some halogen ovens offer a safety on and off feature to avoid unfortunate kitchen accidents from occurring. As a general rule, you should be wary of handling halogen ovens as they produce a lot of heat, which can lead to dangerous accidents when handled poorly. The Sahomwell halogen oven features an easy-to-turn on and off switch so you can stop or add food while you're cooking. On the other hand, the Nutrichef halogen oven also has a built-in safety feature where the machine automatically powers off when the lid isn't securely closed. Aside from this, the halogen oven is also safe for use on any counter or kitchen top. This makes it a versatile piece of kitchen equipment to have even if you have a crowded countertop space in your kitchen. For the reason that the Sahomwell halogen oven has a more intuitive approach when it comes to safety features, we're giving it this round's 1 point, and so the score is finally tied up at 2 apiece. This leads us to a tie-break round to decide the winner of the battle once and for all. The fifth and final category that these two brands will be going toe-to-toe with would be their ease of cleaning. The more pieces your halogen oven comes with, the more time you'll spend cleaning it. If you buy a unit with a large container, it may not fit in the dishwasher and you'll need to count on washing it by hand after each use. The containers used in smaller halogen ovens are usually dishwasher safe and can just be thrown in alongside other things in your dishwasher, which leaves you more time to relax after a long night of cooking and entertaining guests. The Sahomwell halogen oven boasts a hassle-free cleaning process with an easy-to-clean lid. You can just wipe the upper cover of the glass with a damp cloth after you finish cooking. Additionally, the glass bowl is dishwasher safe, allowing for even easier cleanup. The Nutrichef halogen oven is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup just as simple and easy as its competition. The unit is made out of glass and stainless steel and is completely dishwasher safe aside from the top motor. Its stainless steel cooking bowl is also easy to clean as well as stain resistant. Thanks to its ingenious design that makes cleanups that much simpler, the Nutrichef halogen oven takes the tie-break point of this battle and wins with a final score of 3-2. Finally, we have come to the end of this battle of halogen ovens between the Sahomwell halogen oven and the Nutrichef halogen oven. Even though it was a very tough fight, the Nutrichef halogen oven beats the Sahomwell halogen oven by a narrow margin of 1 point. As much as we would like to keep going on about the wonderful features these halogen ovens offer, there can only be one victor today, and the Nutrichef halogen oven has already claimed its throne as it waits for yet one more battle with another formidable opponent. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the Sahomwell halogen oven and the Nutrichef halogen oven has finally ended. If you have any contenders for our next halogen oven face-off, which you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comment section below and we'll be sure to assess them for our next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at the TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.